Welcome to day one of our movement challenge. I don't know if I could be any more excited. Let's just start moving. Nice, simple movements. And I'll talk you through what we got planned for the next 28 days. We're just going to find movements that boost our mood, elevate our energy every single day, so we can move through our day a little bit lighter, a little bit stronger, with a little bit more ease. So we can just do the things we need to do with more confidence and a little bounce in our step. Get that knee up as high as you can. Real functional movements. Things that, so when I have a flight of stairs, no problem. I can race up them. I can carry my groceries home, not a problem. Pick up kid, grandkid, no problem. Just to do the things you have to do throughout your day. Just feeling so much better doing it. Bring a little twist in here. We're gonna gain a great deal of mobility. Our 28 days, balance, extra strength for sure. If there's a little bit of weight you need to lose, you're gonna start to shed it day by day. You didn't put it all on at once, it's not gonna come off at once. But by creating discipline and consistency and showing up every day for yourself, you're gonna maximize your potential. Let's just twist and really become the best version of ourselves. Gonna get a big win today just by completing it. But at the end of every day, I ask you, comment, job done. Keeps you accountable, gives you a small victory, and it does inspire others. Just twist. Get a little deeper into the twist every chance you get. Oh, I love the start of a new week, a new month, even more exciting, but a new year. Come on. All the opportunities, all the challenges we're gonna face, all the opportunities for growth. What's more exciting than January 1st? How do we stick with the things we want to accomplish? Let's reach here. Just really reach it out. Nice stretch. Again, we're building mobility. Anything you want to accomplish. Small steps. It's not going to happen overnight. Celebrate small wins. I can't think of anything better than starting your day with just a little bit of movement that will hopefully, and in my experience will, encourage more movement throughout the day. I always make better food choices when I've worked out in the morning or just done some movement. Maybe we change our language working out. This is just getting some nice movement in the day to start our day. Reach it out. Yeah. Okay, let's really get the arms warmed up. So just circles, forward, backwards, and then crossover. Circles forward and backwards. Little things like this, we're building strength in our shoulders and our arms. Cross, increasing our range of motion. It's all gonna be here. And hopefully, forward, we'll get that mood boost, energy elevation every day. And if that's all we do, then happy days to that. Now let's take this move. We've got to use our brains too. So I'm here, but I'm gonna step. So cross the arms each time and step. Coordination we're gonna work on. This is functional fitness. Again, if you're here to become a bodybuilder, I'm not the right guy. If you want to be a little stronger, a little faster, a little happier, a lot happier, and just do the things in our day with more ease, more confidence, this is the place to be. These are the workouts for you. Feel it in your shoulders. We're going to stick with things for a bit too. Just find a flow, find a rhythm. We want to bring real attention into everything we do. We're going to be very intentional about our movements. Bring presence and awareness into all of our workouts. Being physically fit's amazing, but I don't think there's anything more important than the ability to focus and concentrate, to pay attention to what we're doing, to be in the present. And everything we do, there's an opportunity to practice that, to practice paying attention rather than being distracted. Okay, shake that out a bit. Just bounce. Feel like a boxer would. The idea with these morning sessions, maybe you're brewing your coffee. Just something to get you started in the day. Just becomes a part of the day. But if we can start this way, my experience, it sets us up for real good things. As I said, making better choices, get more movement. How can we add on to it? Just bounce. A little bounce in your step. You can shake the arms out. There's always a chair. If you need it, use it. Most of these exercises will be able to do with the chair. Can aid when we're doing some balance stuff, things of that nature. Step jack, but let's go 5 to each side. Well, around 5. I might miscount. It's been known to happen. Really feel a stretch. You go at whatever pace you want. Remember, modify these workouts. Find what fits you, suits you. If you need a break, you take a break. If you need to use the chair, use the chair. You want to add on and do another workout? There's tons on the channel. Just pick another one. Go find somebody else to work out with. Brilliant. Go for a long walk, a short walk. Oh, try to keep the rhythm. Sometimes I can't talk and move. Hey. Okay. If you like, you can keep doing that, or you can now this way. I love these step jacks. And if you're really intentional, you get a great stretch in it too. But I like to raise the heart rate up a bit. Let's go with just the traditional amazing jumping jack. I want to add a little bit of cardio into every workout. I think we really need to elevate our heart a little bit in the morning. Get the blood flowing through our bodies, heart pumping, increase our oxygen. Oh man. You'd be amazed what's going to happen, what kind of transformations can happen if you stay consistent and disciplined the next 28 days. I assure you, you're going to moving towards that best version of yourself with daily actions, like a little morning movement. If you're doing this in the afternoon or the evening, that's fine too. Find a flow here. Again, if this is where you're at, beautiful. If it's just like this, that's all you got, great. But just find a flow and bring all your attention into this. I can, bring my arms in more, get more mobility in the upper back and shoulders. I truly don't care how you move. There are experts out there. This is the exact way to move. And they very well may be right. I think we just need to move, more movement, and movements that we would use throughout our day. Slow this down. It's like a simple body weight squat. But however this works for you, you got sore knees, you can't, then maybe just a nice bend. What's worse than bending over and feel like an old person? My back. So just this bending motion. So it's bending to pick something up. Remember to bend your knees. When you come up, you can do a little twist if you like. One extra thing to add on maybe in January. How about being a person who always takes the stairs? There's an elevator. Oh, I'll just take the stairs. When you attach a habit to your identity, it's far more likely to stick. I'm just the kind of person who takes the stairs. Every bit of movement we can add on, it's going to have benefits to our health. And that's all we're here for, is to add a little bit of extra movement into our day. Oh, last one. Shake that out. One more movement. Try to keep these as short, as simple as possible. Heel. So, how this looks is going to be very different to each of us. But just try to get a flow and some movement. I have a visitor on day one. A little surprising, they're up this early, but just give me a second, little buddy. I'm almost done here. If you're just here, see what this is going to look like on day 28 if you stick with it. The flexibility, the extra mobility that you're going to get. And obviously, if we slow it down, we can build some balance here also. So again, modify. Do what works best for you. Life happens. Just give me a sec, little buddy. I know I have more patience, more empathy when I work out also. There's another huge advantage of working out in the day. Life gets in the way. It's not always perfect. It can be messy, but I know with a little bit of movement, my empathy levels rise. They're not great always, but a little bit better in day in and day out. We're just going to work to be that best version of ourselves. As I said, paying attention, the ability to focus is phenomenal. If you're done, you're done. Amazing job. But I'd like you to give me a minute now. A minute for yourself. And just be in this moment. Just fully feel everything, all the work that you just put in flowing through your body. Close your eyes if you like. Mountain posture here. Palms pointing forward. Real stance of integrity. And just notice what's happening in your body. And just be. Maybe set your intention for this year. One thing you really want to achieve. If that's a 10-minute morning movement session for the next 28 days, that is a great starting place. And other things will follow, I assure you. My intentions just keep showing up. Shake that out. Body warm, feeling energized, mood elevated? I hope so. Keep showing up. Remember, comment, job done, inspire others, stay accountable, stay committed. Consistency will allow you to take on the challenges and set the goals that you want for this coming year. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.